did the same on the test because I realized there was green and I was like, ooh.
Now, the green light you can see, that's a forward-facing filter. That means if you are going forwards, or if you see the left filter on that side, if you're turning left or going ahead, you have priority, you can go. But because you're turning right, you have a separate set of traffic lights.
Then I thought I failed there without, because there was car parked and someone was quite quickly coming across, and I already started moving almost past there.
But you see how you're overthinking everything you're doing?
Yeah.
When you're overthinking, it very rarely ends positively. Very rarely.
Yeah, true. I do that with everything in my life.
Keep following the road round to the right. Keep looking past the red car. Keep looking past the grey fence.
It's a good point right there.
Keep as much to the right as you possibly can. More to the right so you can see. And if something changes, you can come back to your side.
Yeah.
There you are. At the end of the road, turn left. My side.
Oops, sorry.
You see, if you didn't make effective observation, then it would have ended in
Yeah, it's such a small street and
yes.
so tight.
And usually there's a bus parked. There he is. He's hiding. He's parked. He's not coming. You can go. He's not coming. He's parked there. And yesterday there was a bus parked behind him.
Oh.
Yeah, so you need, and there's a bus parked behind him, I think. Is it? Is it one? So nice and easy, nice and careful, nice and slow.
This morning.
Yes, there's another bus parked behind
Reading.
him. Now move your car to the left, to my side.
Yep.
To my side more, because you need to fit through that gap.
And then make
Yes,
more
and now steer to the right slowly. Keep steering and make sure you don't bump into that car. Now straighten your front wheels. There we are.
Yes.
Yesterday there was two buses as well. Normally there's one bus.
So it's even harder to make
Yes.
that move.
And that's why you move more to the left to go through in a straight line.
Oh, there's sun coming out. Did you bring some sun
Yeah,
from Pakistan?
We need some sun. We need some sun.
Smuggled
It's
in your
cold.
suitcase?
It's very, very cold. At the end of the road, turn right at the end.
There's another bus. That's turning. Sorry.
Turn in right here, please. Do you know when you see a car, go a bit faster?
Yeah.
Don't just sit there.
Sitting there.
At the mini roundabout, go ahead first exit. Your approach to mini roundabouts is a little bit too fast.
Okay.
You should have slowed your car down a little bit more than that.
Okay.
Yeah?
Would you say 15, 17?
I would say you need to be going as slow so you can stop at the roundabout.
Okay.
You're going so fast you'd have to emergency brake. So on approach
yeah.
to this roundabout, if you did that speed, it's fine. That's a closed roundabout. This one's an open. You can see this roundabout clearer.
Okay.
At the roundabout ahead, second exit. So if you approach at 15-20 at this roundabout, it's fine.
Yeah, because
That
it's
one you
more
can't.
clear, isn't
Yes. See, we're going round the roundabout now at 16 and we managed it reasonably well.
it? Yeah.
Try and go round roundabouts, not over roundabouts,
Okay.
especially in wet weather. In wet weather or leaves, your car will slide off the roundabout.
Slide off.
On the small roundabout, if you can't avoid going onto the roundabout, perfectly fine. But this one, you could navigate safely. So you could do. As we go,
It actually was not difficult route, but it wasn't the easiest as well.
they're not too bad. Driving test routes are there to challenge your driving.
Yeah.
At the next roundabout, go ahead, first exit. I would be going less than this. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfectly fine. So there you're doing 0. But if you didn't do 0, you wouldn't be able to make effective observations.
Yeah.
So some roundabouts you can do at 15, 20, some at 5, some at 3, some at 0, some at 50. Just depends on where you are and how wide the junction is and how well you can see.
I wouldn't leave this a wheel like that. It's hazard on its own.
Because we're in a very woodlandly area, so like lots of trees and bushes. Be careful, there might be a tree in the middle of the road.
Oh, yeah. After the storm.
Yeah.
Go nicely in the middle.
You were changing your mind every 2
Yeah.
seconds. I could see your steering wheel moving.
Panicked.
As we follow the road ahead, We're then going to get to a set of traffic lights. At the traffic lights, turn right.
Oh, I was stressed about this one. The road there as well,
Mm-hmm.
I think. I was stressed about everything, to be fair. Literally everything that I'm describing. So I want to the middle.
You can go. He's stopping. This is a mistake you made on your test. Okay?
Yeah.
Come on, move your car. So that light went amber, went red, and he was well behind the line, so he's expected to stop, and he was stopping. At the traffic lights, turn right. At these traffic lights you're approaching. So do you see how far back you were at the lights and you stopped? He did exactly the same.
Yeah.
So you had to stop. And that's the mistake you made at the lights on your test,
Yeah.
which then set you into like a...
Stress, like even more stress mode, yeah.
Yeah. As you've approached these traffic lights, which lane do you need to watch out for? Move forward and you'll see. You need to watch out for people in this lane only, this black car lane. Keep your car straight. Now you can go. There's nothing coming. Go. Go. Give gas and go. He has to wait for you. Give gas and go. You're going slow. You're setting yourself up with them cars.
Okay.
The only people you need to worry about are the cars that are coming towards you. Okay?
Yeah.
And that's why you're a little nervous last time you did it.
Yeah.
And the ones that are turning left have to give way to you. Why? Because the floor markings are telling them to yield to cars already on the main road, and you are on the main road.
Okay.
So let's keep our speed above 24, because we know the speed limit 30, and we're then going to go into a higher speed limit. So 26, 27, 28, 29 is fine until we go through the 40. Keep your speed above 35. Try and have like a constant driving speed. That way you can process things in your own time. At the lights, go ahead. At the second traffic lights, turn right. Second traffic lights are immediately after the first.
Ahead and then
Right.
right.
So ahead at the green lights. And right at the second. Now look at the floor marking, start your routine. Yeah. Now go into it when you should do and look at the solid white line. So if them lights go red, you would then, once you go over the line, you would then clear the junction. So now go into the junction and ignore the filter light.
Yeah.
The filter gives you a bonus. Now, as soon as you find an available gap, or if that light goes red, you immediately clear the junction.
After the
This is a safe gap after the white car, and go. But even when the light goes red, you'll stop,
Yeah.
you go. And that's the mistake you made on your test. That was it.
Oh, silly.
So all you had to do there was literally clear the junction. In hindsight, it's different. You know, it's like, oh yeah, I should have done that. It's
Yeah.
hard when you're on your test. But that's the mistake you made.
But then now I can learn. And
Yes. Now there's one more junction
Some more
identical to this on your one of the test routes, and we'll go and do that one as well
Okay.
now. Then we'll just go over your manoeuvres and see how well you are, or where they are. So here you'd have a reduced constant like this. 21, 20, 18, 19 is fine over here. Once the road widens up and it becomes clearer, you go faster. So staying slow is positive over here.
Yeah.
Now you'd go a little bit quicker to acknowledge that the road's wider, especially if there's vehicles behind you.
And I do not have priority for this one, so I need to slow down. I can go now.
First exit. Don't get any closer to parked cars. Look to your right and go if it's safe. You only need to worry about people on your right or anyone doing a U-turn. And there's nobody doing a U-turn,
Yeah.
and it was only the bus that was turning left, okay? At the next roundabout, go ahead. At the next roundabout, left, first exit. So like now we're doing 24, 25. You should have started increasing your speed as you're coming off the roundabout to match the speed of the new road that you're on.
Not after the sign.
Yeah. Well, the sign was actually, I understand what you're saying, but the sign's also on the opposite side. But
Yeah.
we know we're going into a 40 from a 30, and we want to build up our speed.
Okay.
And that's why he marked you down twice.
Alright.
So he's not asking you to like zoom and like go really, really fast.
But slowly build up
Yeah.
to it.
Especially if there's vehicles behind you. If there's no car behind you, you won't be marked down.
Yeah.
Because you're not affecting anybody. If there is a vehicle behind you, you will be marked down because you are affecting somebody.